Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel In-Depth Analysis with Nitish. So in this video I am going to discuss with you today's cricket match which is going to happen in Cardiff at Sophia Gardens, and according to Indian Standard Time it will be televised on Sony Sports channel at 5:30 p.m. So England and Pakistan will play the ODI series and the T20I series, which is in England. Pakistan and England will play in England the two white ball series. The first ODI is going to happen today evening. So I am going to give you my possible 11 for these two teams. Who are the possible 11s? Who are the 11 players that I have predicted, and what are the possibilities of these players for to play the first ODI in this evening? So I have I have predicted, I have made my possible 11, picked my possible 11 for England team as Jack Crawley, opening batsman, with James Vince, David Malan as comes in the first down. Then you got Ben Stokes, the captain of current England cricket team. After the original squad got quarantined, then the new squad was announced and Ben Stokes was declared as the captain of this new announced 18 players announced cricket team. Ben Stokes is the captain of this team. Ben Stokes captain, Dan Lawrence middle order batsman, Ben Duckett wicketkeeper, Lewis Gregory ये भी ऑलराउंडर है शायद, ग्रेग अवर्टन फास्ट बॉलर है, साकिब महमूद, मैट पाकिंसन, I have picked Matt Parkinson, and then Jake Ball, the fast bowler. So I have picked my possible 11 for England team. I have told you. Now I am going to pick the possible 11 for Pakistan team as Imamul Haq, Fakhar Zaman, Babar Azam the captain, Mohammad Rizwan. Then you've got two. There are one slot for two players. Would go for Shoaib Maqsood because he has performed tremendously well in the last couple of years in the T20s formats and in the 50 over formats in Pakistan domestic cricket. I would rather go for him, not South Sakil, because he is newcomer. Sadab Khan, Mohammad Nawaz, the left-arm bowler. Sadab Khan is a leg spinner. Fahim Asad, all-rounder, fast bowler, all-rounder. Shaheen Shah Afridi, Hassan Ali is the sensational in the last few months for Pakistan. And then the Haris Rauf, the 20 over specialist Haris Rauf, he is now considered as the main bowler for main pace bowler for Pakistan in ODIs also. So he according to me, he will make the playing 11 today. Now, so these are the team I'm when I compared these two teams on paper, Pakistan looked a very good side. Pakistan, according to me, on paper have very high advantage over England this time as of now, at the current moment. But on the grounds, games are played on the grounds, not on the paper. So, in my opinion, I would predict and I would think that England still have a slight chance over Pakistan. I would give 52% to England and 42% to Pakistan because of the home advantage, and the England players, whoever are coming into the national team, are performing well in the last 3 to 4 years. So England have chance, according to me. I'm telling you, according to me, England have a still chance to win the first ODI at Cardiff in Sophia Gardens. So this is the news for today, update for today. I have predicted my possible 11 for the first ODI, which is going to be played at कार्डिफ जो कि वेल्स के अंदर आता है, और ये मैच डे नाइट होने वाला है अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम. सोनी स्पोर्ट्स चैनल द्वारा ये मैच दिखाया जाएगा, टेलीवाइज्ड होगा एट 5:30 PM. 5:30 PM. So ये डे नाइट मैच होगा. The pitch will have its effect, the condition, the dew balls and the light definitely will have its effects. बट जनरली देखा जाए तो पिच जो प्लेसिड रहता है, फ्लैट रहता है इंग्लैंड में, वे लास्ट 4 to 5 years में देखा गया है कि बिकॉज रन्स मेकिंग वहाँ पे इजी होता है. सो आई वुड still think this will be the cracker of the game. So Pakistan are a confident side. They are coming with a few series win in this particular series. So I would still feel this will be the 50-50 contest. But in my personal opinion, on paper Pakistan is a stronger side, but on the grounds I would pick England for the win of this particular game 52%, and Pakistan I would say 48%. Let's see who wins this game. Now the yesterday on day one more match happened, though I won't discuss in much detail, but Bangladesh versus Zimbabwe. Bangladesh are touring Zimbabwe for the only test, and I think 3 ODIs. I'm not so sure, 3 ODIs. And on day one at Harare Sports Club, Bangladesh versus Zimbabwe. Bangladesh are 294 for 8 after batting first, and बांग्लादेश की तरफ से वही स्कोर कार्ड वही है. 70 रन बनाए उनके कैप्टन ने, टेस्ट कैप्टन ने 70 रन 92 गेंद में. मोमिनुल हक, मुशफिकुर रहीम जल्दी आउट हो गए. लिटन दास ने बनाए 95 रन from 147 deliveries. And then you got Mahmudullah Riyad, he is still playing on the stumps on day one. मोहम्मदुल्ला 54 from 41 और उनके साथ तस्कीन अहमद. सो अब 2 विकेट बाकी हैं. जिम्बाब्वे आ जाएगी तो कितनी जल्दी रैप अप करती है यही देखना होगा. ये भी एक इंटरेस्टिंग गेम है, बट दिस नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैम्पियनशिप, बट दिस इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज एन इंटरनेशनल गेम. दिस पर्टिकुलर बांग्लादेश वर्सेस जिम्बाब्वे. सो now moving further for another update, that India versus Sri Lanka, the upcoming white ball series, 3 ODIs and 3 20is, which is starting on 13th of July 2021. India versus Sri Lanka एक और प्रैक्टिस सेशन हुआ कल. The same process follows at the previous practice session, and the teams and the players are groomed together. They are chilling together. ऐसा लग रहा है वो लोग कॉन्फिडेंट हैं और वो लोग टच में भी लग रहे हैं अब ये प्रैक्टिस सेशन करने के बाद. सो दीज इंडियन प्लेयर्स आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. दे आर, और प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद वो और भी स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गए हैं मेंटली और फिजिकली भी, और बैट और बॉल से अच्छा उन्होंने फील भी कर लिया होगा अभी तक. सो श्रीलंका आर इन डेंजर ऑफ अनदर वाइट वॉश. श्रीलंका cricket team are in danger of another whitewash. They need to, अब mentally प्रिपरेशन तो हो नहीं सकता श्रीलंका का. अब 4-5 दिन में प्रिपरेशन क्या होगा. उन लोगों ने 25 खिलाड़ियों ने अपना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी साइन कर लिया है, तो होप दे विल हैव अ गुड स्क्वाड फॉर दिस अपकमिंग टूर, दिस अपकमिंग सीरीज अगेंस्ट इंडिया. सो देखते हैं क्या होता है उस सीरीज़ में. कल का प्रैक्टिस सेशन अच्छा रहा एज़ यूजुअल, पहले की तरह जो पहला हुआ था. तो ये सीरीज़ भी देखने लायक होगी. इंडिविजुअल्स को खासकर इसमें देखा जाएगा, लाइक ईशान किशन, सूर्य कुमार यादव, मनीष पांडे ऐसे तो ओल्ड हो गए हैं शायद. ओल्ड आई एम सेइंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, 4-5 साल से खेल रहे हैं. मनीष पांडे हो गया, सूर्य कुमार यादव हो गया, ये सबको देखना, दोनों पांडे ब्रदर्स क्या करते हैं. तो इंडिविजुअल के लिहाज से ये सीरीज देखा जाएगा. अदरवाइज अगर श्रीलंका अपसेट कर देती है तो फिर ये इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाएगा सीरीज़. श्रीलंका के खिलाड़ियों को भी रन बनाना पड़ेगा, विकेट्स लेने पड़ेंगे, जो कि आसान नहीं होगा इस मजबूत इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम के अगेंस्ट, जो कि हाई इन कॉन्फिडेंस है, हायर इन स्किल्स है देन दिस श्रीलंकन टीम. देखते हैं क्या होता है. सो टुडे अपडेट इज़ दैट टुडे वी हैव अ क्रैकर ऑफ द गेम बिटवीन इंग्लैंड एंड पाकिस्तान in Cardiff, which is starting in evening, and I have predicted and I have predicted my and picked my possible 11. So please subscribe to my channel, please like the videos, and keep subscribing, keep liking the videos. Be safe, be fit. Till then, we'll meet again in the next video today itself. Till then, goodbye, see you, thank you.